Laravel Eloquent ORM, the ultimate guide for developers. Hey developers! Are you looking to master Laravel's Eloquent ORM? In today's video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about Eloquent, from basic queries to advanced techniques. Stick around until the end for a pro tip that will supercharge your database performance. Let's get started. Eloquent is Laravel's built-in ORM, or Object Relational Mapper, that makes working with databases intuitive and efficient. Instead of writing raw SQL, you can interact with your database using a simple, elegant syntax. Let's see how it works. For example, retrieves all users from the database without writing SQL manually. To work with Eloquent, you need models. You can create a model and migration using artisan commands. This creates a post model and a corresponding migration file for defining the database schema. Eloquent makes it easy to perform CRUD operations. Here are some basic examples. Create post, create, title, $, Laravel tips, content, $. Eloquent is awesome. Read $posts, $post, where status, published, get, update $post, $post, find one, $post, title, updated title, $post, save, delete post, destroy one, effortless, right? Eloquent allows you to define relationships between models. The most common ones are one-to-one class user extends model, public function profile. Return $this, has one profile class. One-to-many class post extends model, public function comments. Return $this, has many, comment class. Many-to-many class user extends model, public function roles. Return $this, belongs to many role class. Relationships make handling complex database structures a breeze. To optimize database performance, avoid the N+1 query problem by using eager loading $post post with comments, get. This loads related comments in a single query instead of multiple queries. As promised, here's a pro tip. Laravel model observers let you hook into Eloquent events for automation. For example, class post observer, public function creating, post, post, slug, str, media group, PHP code on a screen, developer typing code, computer screen showing Laravel code snippet at its stock, add a distribute _ slug, $post, title. Every time a new post is created, a slug is automatically generated. That's a wrap on our ultimate guide to Laravel Eloquent ORM. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Laravel content. Also, drop a comment below with your favorite Eloquent feature. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more Laravel tutorials. Share your favorite Eloquent trick in the